CPA stands for cost per action, and it is a type of marketing that is making a lot of wave online. That's because the monetary reward are very high and it can take a lot less work than other online money making models. As a CPA marketer, your role will be help get leads for advisor company. These companies are willing to pay 50 to 100% and sometimes even more for each leads. Over the price the leads pay to accept the offer. Sometimes the offer are completely free for the leads, so you make money right away, while the company take all the risks and hope the leads eventually become a customer. Your goal is to drive target people thought your link to participate in a free offer, trial offer, or some other offer as determined by the company. Sometimes people need to do is fill out something like their email address or zip code. Zip code offers are particularly easy to convert because they are very low risk for the person who filling it out. Other offers are more difficult and require a few pages of information to be filled out. Of course, the more difficult the offer is, the more money you will likely get paid. Sometimes it seems like a dream if it is easy to convert the offer and get quite a high payout. CPA offer can be found at CPA dedicated networks. These are similar to many affiliate networks you might have heard of, but they mostly focus on cost per action offers rather than other affiliate offers. Take a note that it can be little bit more difficult to get accepted into a CPA network than the other affiliate network like clickbank.com. That's because they want people with little more experience who can convert their offers. If you have an affiliate site that make you at least $500 per month, it may be easy for you to get accepted. But if you new in CPA marketing, you can get accepted into CPA network with right strategies, which I discuss in later videos. If you have been trying to make money online for a while, or even if you are an accomplished internet marketer, CPA offers are the right thing for you. That's because the offers are often high converting, and the companies who provide the offers are very willing to pay their marketer high commission. Of course, it can be difficult to navigate this type of marketing if you have not done so before. That's why it's best to learn as much as possible so you can get started making money right away. And the good thing about CPA marketing is you really can make money the same day you start promoting an offer. Don't worry, we start from beginning and show you step-by-step process how to make at least $100 per day with CPA marketing.